Hi, I'm Anthony. I'm an inventor. Energy prices are through the roof, and basically 4 people in the house. Last Sunday went up to 27 quid a day just to run a dryer and a washing machine. So I thought, right, that's enough. I'm into my Chinese heaters. Got one in the workshop, and this is a world first. Forget the battery. I've got a 240 volt transformer coming to run 50 watt, 50 amp, 12 volt. So I won't need that car battery on the top. I'm only running that just to run the Chinese heater while the actual motors run off 240 volts. So hope you like it. Look at the state of this. And I've hoovered half of that. But this is going to be an 8 kV, minimum 1.7 kV to 8 kV clothes dry, run on diesel. Yeah.